Ladies and gentlemen, Parambir Singh has fled the country. He's run away, we are told. And it is impossible that he simply got up and vanished. Till date, he has not been suspended. Till date, he has not been interrogated in custody. And now we are told he may be in Hungary, in Russia. He may have gone through Nepal, that he may be in a different continent. What does this mean, ladies and gentlemen? This means that we have all been slapped in our face. The system has stood by Parambir. And this is a slap in the face of the common, honest citizen, because it is a metaphor for the injustice and betrayal that is meted out to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, we should all be angry today. I'm getting calls from all over the country. My newsroom is buzzing with calls. Across the world, people are asking. Citizens are outraged today, and they should be outraged. They should be angry. We must channelize our anger. We must ask the questions, but most importantly, viewers, this fight is for you. Wherever he is, Parambir must know and realize he will be dragged back. Now let's debate.
It has been 176 days since Parambir Singh was last spotted.
There are reports doing the rounds that he might have absconded the country. Agency confirmed that there has been absolutely no communication, direct communication with him. And so while the agency has not confirmed whether he has fled, but they are not even ruling out the possibility yet.
Maharashtra Home Minister Dilip Valse Patil has called it a grave issue.
अगर देश के बाहर जाना है तो गवर्नमेंट की अनुमति लेना आवश्यक है, उसके सिवा वो जा नहीं सकते।
This development comes at a time when Maharashtra Director General of Police Sanjay Pandey has already sent a proposal to suspend IPS officer Parambir Singh. While the location of Parambir Singh remains unknown, he continues to face at least 5 FIRs. The nation is aghast at how serving IPS officer with 33 years in the service, facing charges of extortion, fabrications, using dangerous weapons to cause hurt, criminal intimidation, and under the Arms Act has simply gone missing. And the Congress suspects central government assistance to the former Mumbai Police Commissioner.
जिसका मर्डर भी हुआ था, उसमें भी इनका इन्वॉल्व था, इस तरह की बातें सामने आई और हमें लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार के ही आदेश से उनको बाहर देश भेजा गया होगा, ऐसा अंदाजा हमारा है।
My simple question to the Home Minister and Chief Minister of the state, still today, why they have not recommended suspension of Parambir Singh?
Too much has unfolded under Parambir and Waze's watch for him to now be held accountable. He was the one under whose watch the fake TRP case was fabricated against Republic.
जितनी अभी तक हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया है उसमें मैंने आपको बताया कि 3 टेलीविजन चैनल्स के नाम सामने आए हैं। सबसे बड़ा नाम है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का।
There is growing public outrage against the man who masqueraded as a cop and misused his uniform. No culprit should be given a long rope. Let's debate.